In this video, I'm discussing my top 3 tips for mastering cold emailing in 2022. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. So when it comes to cold emailing, there are 3 important things that you should always keep in mind. Tip number 1 is to only reach out to those individuals within the company who are considered to be decision makers or people of influence. So this is going to mean those individuals who have some type of executive title within the company. This does not mean reaching out to human resources or HR or even any internal recruiters at that company. The truth is, many individuals within HR at a company do not actually hold power to be able to make the decision to put a contract in place. So with this said, they can't say yay or nay to working with a new agency. They also can't sign a contract, which means that they can't negotiate any sort of terms. So you don't want to waste your time reaching out to them. Now, tip number 2 is to set your mind to understanding that you will be sending 7 to 10 emails to a prospective client. And I know some people may think that that's a lot of emails. However, follow-up really is the name of the game when it comes to being able to land a potential client. The truth is, most people are not going to read or reply to your first few emails, so you have to follow up. And you also want to show that you are consistent about your ability for your recruiting agency to be able to fill the requisitions that they have open. Now, although 7 to 10 emails does sound like a lot, keep in mind that these emails need to be short. No one is going to read your novel, so be sure to keep the text within the email to a minimum. Get to the point, include a call to action, and then send your message. And if they don't respond, you already know that you're going to be following up and you have that email ready to go within a few days. Now, if you're loving the content and have not subscribed to my channel already, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop each week. Also, be sure to like, comment, and share because that helps me to be able to reach other people just like you who want to learn more about recruiting. Now, going into our 3rd and final tip, and I cannot stress this enough, do not come off as a car salesman in your emails. Cold emailing is not about selling your services. Cold emailing has everything to do with you communicating the value that you bring to that company. What pain points can you actually solve for them? That should be your main focus. Do not sell anything because I promise you 9 times out of 10, that client that you thought you were going to land is no longer going to be a prospective client for you. Focus on the needs of your prospective client and I promise you it will take you so far. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have not already, then be sure to join my Facebook group. I'll leave that link down below in the description box. We are in there talking all things recruiting. As well as if you have not downloaded my free contract template, then I encourage you to do that as well. It's a great resource to help you get started. I'll also be sure to leave that link below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.